interview calls or selected.
Okay. So for how many companies you have applied for and have you get your resume reviewed?
Sir, as a fresher, only I applied for 2 to 3 companies, uh, TCS, Wipro, and Cognizant, but not getting selected, sir.
Okay. So and why the limited applications?
Sir, only mentioned freshers. That's why I applied.
There are many vacancies going on. I peg in the group IQVIA is hiring for fresher and they will soon be hiring for more people. Then why are you not applying for other companies?
सर लोकेशन सर इधर पुणे में मेरे लोकेशन से नज़दीक पड़ता है, इसलिए मैं उधर ही अप्लाई कर रहा
Okay. So you are not okay to relocate.
हूँ। सर रिलोकेशन ओके है मेरे लिए, लेकिन कोलकाता, कोची वो बहुत आउटसाइड हो जाता ना। मेरा स्टेट है महाराष्ट्र, और महाराष्ट्र के बाहर रिलोकेशन नहीं जानता। पुणे में
Okay.
मेरे फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली है उधर, मैं इसलिए मैं पुणे में अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ, पुणे और मुंबई में।
Okay. So that is you limiting yourself and your chances because as of now, Cognizant, TCS, they are not hiring for Maharashtra. Okay. And
हाँ
we
हाँ
have
सर।
to and we have to make sure that we get the job. If you want to get the job, then you have to open up, like extend your options moving out of Maharashtra and look for other opportunities. I can let you know like that soon few companies will be hiring like IQVIA and Wipro. They are hiring, I think, for Maharashtra location. But
यस।
you have to make sure that your resume is good. And if you have limited options and if you can't move out, then try to get a referral.
यस सर।
Otherwise, it
One
is
of
not.
my friend in Cognizant, sir, but he said that there are limited openings in Maharashtra only. You should try in another company. That's why I tried in another company.
Yes, brother, I understand. But again, being a fresher, you should not be limiting yourself because the initial struggle is always worthy.
Yes, sir.
If you struggle for first
I,
year, you will be able to
uh,
move back to any location. But the beginning is important. You have to begin from somewhere.
uh, I understand, sir, but it's uh, it's kind of struggle that I never experienced. That's why I am fearing that.
Bro, listen, you have just done your graduation only. What have you seen in your life? Nothing.
Nothing, yes, sir.
There are masters, like there are MBBS holder, there are PhD holder, there are MD people looking for jobs and they are ready to leave their families, move out to anywhere. People do things for job, like people survive. If I get open,
Uh-huh.
if I was a fresher, that is my opinion that if I am getting opportunity in other state, I will move out. I know it will be hard to begin with
Mm-hmm.
because food struggle, living expenses, everything is tough, but time heals everything.
Okay, sir.
Focus on your preparation and apply for jobs. It is like you are not even applying. If you will not apply, then how come you will like understand that where do you stand in the market if you are like able to crack the interviews or not?
Yes, I understand. I am limiting myself that I can't go to another state and live there.
Yeah, but first apply for the job, let the interview call come, attend the interview, then decide.
Mhm. Okay, sir.
And everyone should focus on preparation because that is very important nowadays. Moving, anything else?
No, sir.
Moving on to Keval. Yes, Keval.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yes,
Sir,
Keval.
I have done my MBBS. Just recently graduated in
Okay.
May 2025. I still haven't applied to that many jobs. I had applied in Wipro, but they said basic knowledge is required, even though role was for fresher, like med DRA and everything. So I have a doubt that should I do any course or diploma or anything like that in pharmacovigilance or
You have done you have done MBBS
mhm.
and you have applied for which position?
I am interested in pharmacovigilance,
No, which position you applied for?
drug drug safety physician.
Yes. So basic understanding, like it is not about only Medra. You should be able to understand aggregate reporting, signal management, and causality assessment scenarios.
Mhm. So is self-learning fine or any other graduate diploma graduation or any
No,
course is
no,
required?
I don't
Say,
like I don't promote paid courses. Like any diploma, you
mhm,
don't have to invest money on any diploma or anything else. You can do
mhm,
free certification courses or paid certification courses from Udemy, Coursera, or any other online platform. That should be sufficient.
mhm. Okay, sir.
Mm.
Mhm,
Because see, having some certifications mentioned in your resume, it always gives a boost.
mhm. Okay, sir.
Same like in your medical understanding that you say that you can perform a surgery, but if you have a documented evidence that you have actually performed a surgery, then that will be more confident.
Mhm. And sir, I have one more doubt. Is
Yes.
MBBS more accepted or there is a competition between there are B Farm graduate, M Farm graduate. So which
No,
degree
no,
are they preferring more?
no, 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 no. See, your profile is entirely different. B form or M form are nowhere close to your profile. Drug safety physician are the most valued people in the field of pharmacovigilance. Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
you will be starting as a fresher,
Mm-hmm.
and you have to
Okay, sir.
the work you will be doing is will be entirely different from B form or M form.
Mhm. Okay, sir.
If you don't
So I
under
have,
like okay, yes, please go ahead.
sir. So I will get like a drug safety physician job only. I shouldn't
Yes.
apply to associate job and
No, no, no,
others.
no, 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 no. You are not eligible for
Mm.
that.
Acha, acha. Mhm. Okay,
If you
sir.
if you apply, like if you applied, it will only affect your chances because that is a lower profile than your education qualification.
Mm-hmm. Okay, sir.
Since few people are freshers over here, I'll explain. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
the pharmacy graduates, B Farm or M Farm, they work on cases. Okay, they perform data entry. They do intake and they perform data entry within the safety database.
Mm-hmm.
Causality assessment and narrative evaluation comes after data entry, and that is the role of the drug safety physicians
Mm-hmm.
in many organizations.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Sir.
your work comes after data entry is performed by B4 and M4 people.
Mhm.
Apart
Okay.
from providing causality assessment, you will be working on aggregate reporting, signal management, and other high level work.
Mm-hmm. So, sir, exactly what roadmap should I follow? I should start any certificate courses and everything. Then, is it enough to apply for job, or I should do something more to apply for job?
No, it is more than enough to apply for job.
Yes, sir. Like any projects or.
Oh,
freelance
no,
or anything like?
no, 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 nothing.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Guys, like this, Keval, this is the example that I try to like help people understand that you should get a clarity first what you are eligible for, what you can do, what you want to do. Blindly following any practice or any person on LinkedIn is not a good idea.
Mm-hmm. Right,
Okay?
sir. Mm-hmm. Okay, sir.
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
Moving on to Yuvraj.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Yuvraj.
Yes, sir. You mentioned as a job ready candidate, what are the expectations they will expect, sir, from us as a fresher?
See, okay. See, recently I made a post about having a portfolio. Okay. Mentioning your core skills that you are aware about is important. See, if you go for an interview and you mention that you know how to work on Argus, nobody will believe that because as a fresher, it is not possible to have a hands-on experience.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and same with Medra, and same with any other database until and unless you are doing a paid internship or any internship from any company which already have that access.
Yes, sir.
It is not possible. In India, there is IPC. They conduct internship and they provide hands-on experience to VGBase or some other institute. They have like any safety database or any like model related to safety database. They can say that they provide hands-on experience to safety databases, but it is not possible as for a fresher.
Yes, sir.
You can go on YouTube and watch YouTube videos to understand how Argus works. Okay, but that will not be counted as experience.
Yes, sir.
That gives you basic understanding, but again, you have to be more like vigilant about it, what you are writing in your resume. As a fresher, coming back to your question, as a fresher, what you are expected to know, you are expected to know the basics of all these things. What is a
Yes, sir.
safety database, why they are used, how they are used, what is Medra, what is the use of Medra, what is the use of WHO drug dictionary, what are the different
Okay,
safety
sir.
databases, what is the case life cycle, what is an ISSR, what is ADRs.
Yes, sir.
See, interview process is different in all the organizations. Some conduct very basic interview, like they will ask basic question, what is PV, what is ADR, what is AE, what is causality assessment, what is signal. They expect you to answer the definitions and that's it. Some organization go into different levels. They ask technical question, what is Argus, how Argus function, what is Medra versioning, and then they go to their like your college projects. Like they will ask about what you have done in your college, what is your understanding about pharmacology or medical, if you are able to interpret medical terminologies or not.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
so that's how like a fresher should prepare. The post that I made about having a portfolio, practice mock ICSR, learn how Medra functions, and do some free courses. It is not important to it is not necessary to like, invest money on paid courses, but some like somewhere some organization expect having some paid certificates.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
So yeah, moving on to Dr. Palak. Yes, Dr. Palak. Palak, you are on mute. Okay. Moving on to Manjari. Manjari, go ahead, please ask your questions. Okay. Manjari, you are on mute again. Palak, you can type in your questions, please. If anybody is not able to speak, they can type in their questions. Moving on to Sukumar. Sukumar, am I audible? Guys, speak up, please. Mayank.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, Mayank, you're audible. Yes, Mayank, please go ahead, ask your questions.
Masters of yes, sir. Right, sir. Right now, I am pursuing Master of Pharmacy in Pharmaceutics. So I just wanted to know what should be my action plan because I'm gonna pursue a career in pharmacovigilance.
You are in first year or second year of your master's?
Sir, first year of masters.
Okay, so brother, uh, if you have learned anything about PV in your bachelor's, then if you want to have an approach, I will suggest write a paper over this pharmacovigilance, publish a paper,
Okay.
learn the field, understand the field, do some internship in any college to understand the working of clinical trials
Yes, sir.
or any hospital where the clinical trials are conducted. And then after your
Yes, sir.
masters, you can apply for the job. To enter in PV,
Like
I to enter in
yes, sir.
PV,
Yes, sir.
there is a simple approach. Understand the field, do some relevant certification courses, and go for the job.
Yes, sir. Sir, like you said, freshers are not expected to know Medra and Argus in detail. So, like we are expected to have the basic knowledge of all of them. So, how should we put these in our resume? Like we have a basic knowledge of that.
I will tell you. Uh, I need to share my screen for that. Just give me a
Yes, sir.
second. Let me know when my screen is visible. Visible?
Sir, it is not visible. Yes, sir, it is visible now.
Okay. So, see, just a second. Yeah. We go to medra.org.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
I
yes,
think
sir.
few of you already know about this. And if anybody doesn't know, I will tell. Medra.org, the official Medra site. You see, there's a training option.
Yes, sir.
There's a training material.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you click on training material,
Yes, sir.
so yeah. Okay. You see, there are multiple options: general, basics.
Yes, sir.
What is Medra and how is it used? Getting started with Medra. You can just click on English and it will give you a downloaded document. If we click on
Yes,
English,
sir.
a document will be downloaded. You can read this document to understand the basics of Metro.
Yes, sir.
And moving moving on to trainings, there are some instructional videos as well. Okay. You
Yes, sir.
see, there are introduction to Medra, overview of Medra coding analysis, common coding topics, outcomes, suicide, and everything like how Medra coding is used. It is basically
Yes, sir.
videos or webinars produced by Medra officials, and they publish it very regularly.
Yes, sir.
It is basically learning modules from Medra. You can watch them and you can mention it in your resume that you have completed the learning modules from Medra.org.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You will be having your account, like you will be logging in, you will have the details. See, you have to complete all these modules.
Yes, sir.
You have to watch the videos completely to move on to the next. Otherwise, you will not be able to complete.
Yes,
These
sir.
are locked. Once you complete this, then you move on to the next one.
Yes, sir.
And you can mention these all these in your resume.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And moving and
Yes.
some everybody's asking about free courses. See, this is WHO UMC site. Okay. There are some self-paced online courses, and it will take you to the learning platform. In learning platform, you will see there are English and Spanish. Click on English.
Yes,
WHO
sir.
UMC is providing 14 free courses, 7, 6,
Yes,
and
sir.
1. Some of you might have done it, or some of you are not aware about it. They can note down. These are 7 courses which you can do and you can mention in your profile or resume
Yes, sir.
because
Yes, sir.
you have to log into this page and you will be having your login credentials to complete these courses.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
Sir, one more question, sir. If you could show us how a fresher's resume looks like, then it would be really helpful.
Brother, the resume is there if you have seen on the OneDrive. I don't know what you are doing. Pharmacovigilance freshers template. I have already uploaded it. This is the resume template. If you are mentioning your LinkedIn profile in your resume template, you have to create the hyperlink for that so that your profile is accessible from your template itself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Moving on to other, we have guests from like, hi Judy, now it's your turn.
Hi, sir.
Hey Judy.
I'm currently based in Nairobi, Kenya.
Okay.
And just to touch a little on my background so that we can be on the same page,
Okay.
I have a bachelor's in microbiology. And later I joined IQVIA for my 6 months internship as a
Okay.
CRA,
Okay.
which I completed in November.
Okay.
While there, now I discovered there is a gap in pharmacovigilance because it's coming really heavily to Africa as a wave, and we might not be very prepared for it. So I engaged in some online courses on pharmacovigilance.
Okay.
So I got the basic understanding on what it is, the AEs and risks, and how to mitigate some of these risks.
Okay.
I have also been doing some short courses on the WHO website, the Uppsala Monitoring Academy, but I'm really having trouble with the certifications because, from what I understand, is they only provide certificates um, to to professionals in the actively in the pharmacovigilance industry.
Okay.
So I'm really wondering how to put that in my resume, because you see now I don't have the certificate to like really prove I have done this before. Um, but for future, I think I want to majorly. I have also done an interview. There was an opening still at IQVIA for drug safety associates. I did an interview. Unfortunately, I didn't, together with the rest of the pack that we were with during our internship period, we didn't make to the move to the next level. So when you sent the drive and what have you, and I followed your YouTube channel, now that is when it clicked on me that um, really I have not, as you had quoted, I have not really spoken the industry's language. Because in as much as I have done the short course, I still need to groom my skills um, on tangible skills, on Medra, on narrative writing, on ICSR processing. So I find this session really helpful and quite resourceful for me as a fresher, someone who's aspiring to like really delve into PV in the future, and I really have a long way to go.
Okay.
So I know, together with the rest of the group, we are really beneficiaries of such a platform that you you have offered for us. Sometimes we just need a guiding hand, and we have found that in you. So we are really grateful for that.
Okay. Thank you, Jody.
Mm.
Coming back to your like doubts about having certifications in your resume. See, there are
Mm.
multiple courses on if you can access Udemy from your location. There are multiple courses available to work on pharmacovigilance, and they are globally accepted. You can work on. Let me share my screen again, and I'll show you few more courses. Okay.
Yes, kindly.
Yeah. So there is one course on edX. Okay. This
Mm.
thinking critically interpreting randomized clinical trials. You all can do it for free, and they will give you certificate as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh, and I have enrolled for this. Apart from this, if you guys want to, you were asking about having some like understanding about technical skills. You guys can go to Simply Learn courses online. How like how many of you know about this site? Anybody know about this site? Yes, no. You guys can go on this site and you can create your account. They provide e-courses for free. You will be provided a certificate as well. You can learn Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Office, and English communication on this platform for free.
Okay.
Okay. It is about having technical
Mm.
skills. Moving back again, there is one institute, Biofarm. You guys can note down this, please. Okay. See, there is Introduction to Good Manufacturing Practice, and Introduction to Drug Safety and Pharmacovigilance and abridged course, and GCP Introduction to Good Clinical Practices. You have to enroll over here. You have to create your account. See, it is a free course. Proceed to enroll. You have to fill in your details and proceed with enrollment. It is a totally free course. This institute provides two free courses, and they will give you certificate as well. You have to complete the assessment to get the certificate for free. This is a free course on pharmacovigilance.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
No need to invest any money anywhere on any paid diploma or any certificates. Get your technical skills in line, learn about pharmacovigilance, and that should be sufficient to get your job.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you, Jody. So, Dr. Palak, now you are able to unmute. I guess no. So, Kumar, no. Sanawar,
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
yes, Sanawar, please tell me, brother.
Sir, I am a PharmD intern at Mamta Medical College in Hyderabad, sir.
Okay,
Actually, my basic question is that as of remaining, my PharmD internship 6 months are there, sir.
okay,
Actually, the remaining 6 months are there. So I want to evaluate myself in the pharmacovigilance process. Basically, I saw some YouTube videos and like that, sir. But the how the fresher should involve in the basic in a corporate life, what things should he learn from now? అంటే means ఇంకా 6 months remaining ఉన్నాయంటే what
okay,
should I learn, sir?
okay. Like we are
The
discussing,
me-
get your
yeah, yeah.
basics in line and technical skills up to the date, and you are good to go. As a
Oh,
fresher,
oh.
the picture is different for experienced people
Yeah,
who
sir.
has who has ever even 1 year of experience. They are entirely different. But as a fresher, you just have to focus on basics. Get your basics clear about the field, and that should be done. That should be good enough.
Sir, there is a important or there is a mandatory to do any clinical certifications like that. Is
No,
it mandatory for physicians?
no, no. Nothing is mandatory as long as you are able to answer the questions in the interview.
Mm. Sir, the courses which you are say just now before, sir, it's courses enough for the basic learner to evolve in the pharmacovigilance, sir, like biopharma, Simperlearn, or Uppsala monitoring centers. This
See,
course.
the Uppsala Monitoring Center courses are good enough to understand the basics of PV. Biofarm Institute is a certificate course. They will give you a certificate, and it is good to mention in your resume. And the Simply Learn, that is good to improve your technical skills and soft skills, because Excel is equally important to learn to be a part of PV or any other organization, any field. You should know Microsoft Office.
Oh, yes. Sir, another question, sir. What should be my approach as a fresher, sir, to the companies? Means what they will accept from me as a fresher, sir.
See, brother, as a fresher, you are not expected a lot of things. Okay. You should be good at what you are doing or what you are expected to do. As a fresher, you will be joining as a drug safety associate, as a pharmacy intern. Drug safety associates are usually expected to be good at case processing. And if you are entering in clinical research, then as a junior CRA, the role is different. You are working in clinical research, I think, internship. So you should know that what a CRA, like what is the work of CRA, or
Yes, sir.
So all these things you are expected to know and you are expected to understand. See, everybody is running up nowadays. Every fresher is running after safety database, how Argus function. If I posted a video yesterday only. Why Argus is
Yes.
used? Why do we use safety database? Anybody want to answer? What is the need of safety database?
Like it's help to retrieving the any information which has passed in any events occur in the past.
Past.
It help to retrieve the
Okay.
information.
Okay. But you are a CRA. There is ADC in every clinical site. ADC database is there.
Y-
What is the need of safety database? A separate.
Yes, sir.
Everybody knows that pharmacovigilance involves case processing. But why do we do case processing?
For monitoring the drug in the safety lifelong, sir.
No. See, this is the reason I tell everyone get your
In order
basics.
to,
Yes, Jory, please.
I think I think we do case processing in order to determine if there is a relationship, a causal relationship between the event and the drug,
Why? Why we do that? What is the need of doing that?
so that we can detect whether there is a signal that needs to be followed up.
That is like you are speaking the umbrella language. You are giving one-liners that's why we do this. But what is the requirement? What is the basic requirement of following this process?
To prevent adverse drug reactions.
And why do we need to prevent adverse drug reactions?
So for patient safety.
Again, what is the need? We are conducting clinical trials. What is the need of having a separate like setup to do this? That is the to avoid adverse event to for patient safety. That is the whole base of a clinical trial.
Yeah.
Then why PV?
Actually, the when the drug are introduced in the market, they open for all the public areas, na, sir. In the clinical trial, we have certain limits to that extent we can do like that.
But PV is also applicable in clinical trials also.
Yeah.
Then why it is only after marketing?
Mm.
See, this is the reason everybody should work on the basics.
Yes.
Okay.
Um, Maybe it has been used by wide range of people around the world. It has been different effects on those.
No, Shweta. I don't want to be harsh on anybody since none of you are able to answer the basics of PV. Think about this incident while asking somebody to refer you for a job. Okay. Moving on to Pradakshana. Sorry, Shweta, do you have any questions to ask?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
please
I'm
go ahead.
currently a biomedical engineering graduate and
Okay.
doing advanced diploma in clinical research, sir.
Okay.
So, as I'm open to entry level roles in clinical research, not only of pharmacovigilance.
Okay.
So, from as a fresher, what are the things I can be do on myself, sir?
I was telling everybody,
Yes, yes,
first
sir.
brush up your basics.
Okay,
If your
sir.
basics are clear, then you are good to be anywhere.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Otherwise, if your basics are not brushed up, you are not up to the mark with the basics, then it is of no use doing any certificate, doing any diploma.
Yes, sir. And it is mandatory to do to be aware of any tools and softwares, sir,
See,
as a fresher.
ha having a basic understanding is important.
Okay, sir.
If I ask you what tools are used, like let's say Metra, Drug Dictionary, Argus, RSG, LSMV, in anything, Viva Safety, what are they,
Yes, sir.
how they function, why they are used, having this kind of knowledge is important.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
I usually ask one simple question of freshers, like everybody knows we use Argus. Okay. Argus is the, let's say, godfather of safety databases in pharmacovigilance. Anybody know what is the full form of Argus? Anybody? Yuvraj, Abhay, Judy, Keval, Manjari, Sukumar. Want to try? What is the full form of Argus?
Like it belongs to Oracle, I think so, sir.
Oracle is the company. What is the full form of Argus? Okay. Moving on to production now.
A very good afternoon, sir.
Yes, production. Good afternoon. Tell me.
Sir, in the last session, we talked about the assessment test, like the screening test, many of the companies take for the freshers. So,
Okay.
sir, I wanted to know, like, are there any website or from where we can find that question or maybe practice mock test
It is
real,
not.
for that
It is.
question?
It is not possible production now because
Okay,
those questions varies from company to company.
sir.
I can tell you about
Uh,
Parexel. They have an interview process
yes, sir.
where they send logical reasoning, analytical understanding, narrative writing.
Yes, sir, you have mentioned
Yes,
in the last session about the aptitude test also.
yes. So, and
Okay,
this practice is not followed by many of the companies.
okay, sir. Like, sir, it is not mandatory, like,
No, you have to be aware about, again, the same thing. If you are aware about the basics, you are good.
okay, sir.
I think Rubina can pitch in. Rubina, you want to say something about this? Neha, yes, please go ahead with your questions. Neha, you are on mute. Okay. Who's left? Sukumar was not able to speak. Manjari, Rubina, any questions from anyone? Guys, any question from anyone? Yes, no?
Sir, can I ask? Hello.
Yes, yes, Kevin.
Sir, I have a question that is what is I mean data analyst, data scientist. Is there this role in pharmac
See, this is a different
data?
domain. Yeah, this is a different domain. Clinical data management is different. Data management is different. Data analyst is different. They have different expectations, and you have to read the job description before applying for these kind of jobs.
Mhm. Okay, sir. Because I had seen that one LinkedIn profile. Uh, he had a medical background and worked as a data scientist, then pharmacovigilance. So
See,
that why I was
see,
asking.
don't go after fancy terms. Every company has different terms for every profile. Okay. One is writing data scientist, the other company will hire him as a pharmacovigilance specialist or scientist, or let's say data scientist or anything like that. So
And sir,
yes, please.
how we should prepare for like a risk of AI and automation? Is that uh, there thing like that?
Whether AI is already here. Okay.
Mhm,
Many companies are working on it. Precious jobs will be affected by AI, and that is for sure.
mhm,
But if you can learn and
mhm.
upskill yourself up to the level that AI cannot replace you, then you are safe.
Yes, sir.
Doing unnecessary courses on AI, generative AI, is of no use. How AI
Mhm.
is used in pharmacovigilance, you have to understand that.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Mm,
I have posted few videos about it. Go and watch them. You will understand how and where AI is used in pharmacovigilance.
okay, sir.
Okay. AI is there in every domain. Every field is affected. Engineering, non-clinical, everywhere. AI is on the boom.
Yeah, sir.
Not everybody is losing their jobs. No, they are learning AI. You have to learn how to survive with AI, not be scared of
Mhm,
it.
mhm. Yes, sir.
Any question from anyone?
Hello,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes, Neha.
Sir, I have recently joined your group. I just want to know how to start a career in PV.
Okay. So I will suggest, like, please don't misunderstand. I will suggest you go to that OneDrive. There is a book, Pharmacovigilance 101. I don't know if how
Yes,
many
yes,
of you have read that. Go through that.
yes.
That is a 40-page document. It will give you everything, every basic about pharmacovigilance.
Okay, okay. I have
Okay.
read that, not completely. What else should I focus on?
Right now, Neha, you should learn about the basics again, then do some relevant certifications. If you are late, this you can see the go through the recording of this session
Okay,
and
okay.
I have more mentioned about some free courses.
Okay.
You can do that, and you can mention them in your resume, and you are good to apply for
Right.
any.
Okay. Where to do this courses?
Okay. They, you can see in the recording now. I'll, I'll share
Okay.
the link. I'll share the links in the chat.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any questions from anyone? Guys, any question from anyone?
Uh, Hello, sir.
Yes, Kevin.
Sir, can you tell about abroad opportunities? Like
Up.
if you want to target abroad opportunities, how we should start
See,
in pharma?
every yes, every organization, every company, or every country, they have different regulations, different like certification requirements and different project requirements, and like country specific guidelines are different. Okay. Before moving to any other company or country, you should get a list like how many companies are there, how many countries are there, or like which companies have their offices in like for PV in their place.
Mm,
And then we have to make sure like which companies we want to target.
mm. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mm,
Because in usually from India, people move to Gulf countries, and Gulf countries have the different requirements. They need their local certification, their from their local institution. If you are getting referred by somebody, then it is other picture. But before moving to other country, you have to like gather all the information where you can work.
But sir, we can't directly just start as a fresher in abroad, right? We
No,
need some experience.
no.
Mhm. Okay, sir.
Why would they
Thank
hire
you, sir.
like why would they hire any immigrant? Like if I move on to let's say I have 10 years of experience in pharmacovigilance, and I want to move to USA or Canada or let's say Australia, why they will hire me?
Mm,
I don't have any degree from Australia. I have not contributed anything in their education system.
mm,
Same.
mm.
Understand the local requirements and then move.
Okay, sir.
It is not impossible to get a job. Everybody reference work everywhere. Okay, people do move out, people do get hired, but they have to learn the system first. Okay.
Mhm. Okay, sir.
See, about Japanese language, it's about learning and working on the translation. Many companies have their own departments or let's say own teams in that regional teams. It is always a plus point to know an additional language. You can learn anything. If you, we do receive source documents in other foreign languages, and translation is required. It is always a plus point on your profile to have the knowledge of any additional language. See, salary and other perks, this differentiates between other like all the companies, what they are hiring, what they are offering. You have to negotiate. You have to be like, negotiation is a skill that cannot be taught. If there are no questions from anyone, we are good to close.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Kevin. Thank you, everyone.